Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to do some spring shopping and just to check out what they have in store here. Normally when I enter courts I like to visit the clearance section first just to see what items they have on special and if I can get a good deal. So if you are new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you love shopping videos, DIY, room makeover, tips and tricks, you get it all here. Now so far I am seeing that they have some pools and mattress covers on special. You know, summer is coming up, so if you want some pool from early for the children just to keep them warm in the summer, it's best you come and get a deal here if you see any great deal. They have canisters set, they have organizers, they have so many little items here in the clearance area. So if you're seeing something that you like, you can always come on and get it here. Now I like some of these little organization set, but the colors wouldn't fit my color scheme. These are great to organize your closet as well. You don't have to use them just for stationary purpose. You can use them to organize kids room, kids toys and those other stuff. So if you see anything here that suits you, you can always come on and check them out. Also in the clearance section they had these decorative vase. I like that they are neutral, and you know spring is here, so you guys can always decorate for spring. Spring is a time where you can bring in your colors as well, and these are some of the stuff that you can use to bring in little colors in your home. Over this section in a glass case they also have more clearance items like coffee warmer set. I see some watches, batteries, these Android boxes for 5,200. So if you are a person interested in any of these, you can always come and check them out for these stuff here. Look at this portable radio here, $245. So you know the hurricane season is coming up. So if you're a person that wants a portable radio that you can use battery with, you can always come on and get that here for only $245. I know a lot of persons, especially older persons, love these radio sets. Now, the place that I always come to check out is the home decor pieces, and over here you can get these decorative pieces here just to decorate. And you know spring is here, is a place and time where you can use colors. I see florals here starting at $1,699 plus tax, and these are great stuff that you can use to bring in little spring colors into the home. So if you're decorating with pink and yellow or just on the neutral side, you can get some florals here. Now yellow is my color, so you can always come and check out your favorite color. And this one here, I like it. I think I might grab that one. They have other decor pieces here. They have vase. These vases are quite affordable. So for these type of stuff, I like this vase as well with the blue and neutral. And they have these neutral ones as well above. So you guys can always come and check out these stuff if you're interested. Over here they have this candle set. It is battery operated and it has a remote where you can change the colors, and or that you can use it to turn on as well. So if you're interested in that piece, you can always come on and check them out. They have other different type of vase here. There are so many vases that they have on special, and they have black vase as well. $6,999 for this tall one, and the smaller one here is for $499. So guys, if you're looking for some vase and other decor pieces, come on and check out Quartz. They have some lovely stuff here once they're within your budget. I like this rose pink one as well, but I'm not decorating with pink for this spring. Now over this section they had this mirror, this wall hanging mirror, $2,200, and they have cushions here as well starting at $1,000. These are some floral pattern cushions, and they also have some throw with it as well. And these are some easy, simple, temporary way that you can use to decorate your space with colors if you don't want to use any permanent color in your space. So throw blanket will also add texture into your space while adding color and decor. They have burgundy or this rose, what they call it, wine red cushion as well. So if you're on the neutral end with the softer tones, they have those as well. So guys, if you're a person into cushions, you can always come on and check them out. I'm not a cushion person. I actually use cushion covers because I don't like to have a lot of cushions on hand. I just change the covers when I'm ready. And they also add these mirrors and wall art as well. I like this cushion here as well, and I think I can use that to decorate my space with a more rusty or terracotta decor scheme, something on the neutral side. I think I might get that cushion sometime soon if it's not out of stock by the time I'm ready. They also have this one here with some greenery, so if you're a person that loves the greenery, so you can always get it here. They have these beddings as well. They have twin size, queen size, king size, and they also have these fur cushions as well. So if you're looking for some decor pieces, courts, you can always come and get some stuff here that suits your space. This mirror as well, hanging mirror, is for $2,099. Over here they have some more decoration accessories, so you can get these chargers. They have other decor trays, $6.99. They have this gold one here for $2,500, and I see that they have some stuff made in India as well, or India is a brand. Which one? I would have to check that out. I see India before on a visit I did, and I was assuming it was made in India, but now I'm thinking if the brand is India. No, these pieces here is $3,999. So you see, you can always bring in decor pieces into your own without DIYing everything. You know your girl love to DIY, but sometimes we have to buy stuff to put into the home to make it look luxurious as well, without every piece have to be made. Over here they are these gold trays as well. Wow, look at this bottle, decorative bottle, but $20,000. Oh my, these are for $2,599, and they have this little nice subtle pink base as well. So as you can see, they have a lot of color, neutral colors, and so for your space if you're decorating for this spring. So look at this one as well, and they have the basket decor as well for $2,999. So they have some nice stuff here that you guys can use to decorate your space. They have this standing lamp as well, and they have white base here, and they have these other white vases over here that you can use. So they have a little stuff that you can use. I saw this little piece that you can use as a coffee table. You can use it as a storage piece as well. This is so versatile. I like it. If you're in a small space, it's a great way to use some stuff for storage as well. This large mirror here as well. You guys, as I said, mirror is a great way to make your space feel bigger, so you can always get your large mirror as well. So over here they have some more decor pieces, but I saw this throw blanket just to show you. As I mentioned, it had texture to your space, so as you can see, and they have these shelves as well. So guys, come on and check them out. These are some more cushions that they have, and I see a yellow set of vase that I love, and as I mentioned, Amarillo es mi color favorito. So yes, I love yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, and also this bright yellow as well is so awesome. Now heading over to the kitchen area, I realized that they have this shelf well decorated with stuff for barbecue. So if you're looking for some barbecue utensils, they have a lot of stuff here for that purpose. They have these set of tongs, locking tongs, so you can always lock them as well. And they have some the brand is actually Charboil, and these are great to put into your grill. So if you need to do some grilling this summer, or you don't have to even wait summer, they have some stuff just for your outdoor grills and just for you to use around the home for your outdoor grill purpose. So there are a lot of utensils here with the Char-Broil brand, and these look pretty sturdy as well. So if you're looking for some stuff to get grilling, Quartz have that as well. So as I mentioned, they have so many grill stuff here that you can use for grilling this summer or anytime you wish to grill. Some persons don't have to wait summer. They also have this grill rack as well that you can do your burgers on, pancakes, whatever you wish. They also have plate set, dishware set, and these are in colors as well. And this is it for Quartz spring video. Thank you again for watching.